Welcome. Welcome to the deep dive.
Great to be here.
Today, we're plunging into a topic that definitely hits home for anyone who's ever squared off against an online opponent,
Oh, yeah.
only to be defeated not by skill, but by, well, something way more frustrating.
The dreaded lag.
Exactly. Lag, infuriating high ping, or those stuttering frame rates. I've certainly been there. About to land the winning shot, and my screen just freezes for a second.
Go word.
Totally frustrating. So our mission today is to take deep dive into a specific tool, Logofast. We're drawing directly from the source material to understand exactly how it claims to, banish those gaming demons. We want to uncover the core mechanisms and really understand its potential impact on your gaming experience.
It's true. The world of online gaming and, well, online experiences generally, it's complex. You get data transfer, system optimization. Those frustrating issues, they aren't just random. They stem from real challenges in how data travels, how your machine handles it. And tools like Logofast, they're specifically designed to tackle these multifaceted problems head on.
Promising that smooth, responsive experience we all want.
Exactly. That's the goal.
Okay, let's unpack the most immediate problem then. Lag and ping. We've all felt it, right? Hitting a button, then that perceptible pause before the action happens on screen.
Oh, definitely. The input delay.
So Logofast specifically aims to dramatically reduce that lag and lower your ping. Now, what's really fascinating is how. How does it manage to create this VIP lane for your game data? Is it using a special protocol or?
What's insightful here is understanding that standard internet routing it isn't really built for speed, not for gaming anyway.
Oh.
It's designed for resilience, like the Postal Service, prioritizing that every letter arrives eventually, even if it takes a weird scenic route.
Oh, okay. I get that.
So when Logofast uses its global server network and what they call an optimized data transfer protocol, it's essentially designing a bespoke courier service just for your urgent game data. It highlights this fundamental trade-off in network design, low latency for real-time stuff versus just robust general data delivery.
So this optimized protocol, it's not just finding a shortcut.
Well, it's more than that.
Okay.
It often involves techniques like smart packet prioritization, making sure your game's data gets express treatment over, say, a background download, or even things like forward error correction, which cleverly anticipates and fixes minor data losses on the fly.
So it doesn't have to resend data as often.
Precisely. Resends cause lag. So this helps route your traffic more efficiently, bypassing those digital traffic jams.
And for you, the gamer, the result should be a much more stable, more responsive connection.
That's the promise.
Okay, so we've optimized the journey for the data, but what if the destination, like your own machine, isn't quite ready? That's where Logofast takes things a step further. And I found this particularly striking, that it tackles both network and system stuff. Most tools focus on just one, don't they?
Exactly. And that really highlights the symbiotic relationship between your network and your system.
How so?
But you could have the absolute best internet connection in the world, fastest speeds, lowest ping.
Yeah.
But if your computer is struggling to actually draw the pictures, to render the frames fast enough, your gaming experience will still suffer. You'll get stutters, choppiness.
Right. FPS issues.
Precisely. Frame rate.
So that's why the FPS booster feature is so crucial then. It goes beyond just the network pipes.
Correct. It optimizes your system's performance.
And the sources detail how it does this.
Yeah.
It fine-tunes CPU and GPU setting.
And it actively manages background processes.
The things secretly hogging resources,
Right.
like random updates or telemetry stuff.
Exactly those things. It tries to quiet them down. And it even checks that your graphics drivers are up to date, which is, surprisingly important.
It really is. So it's a comprehensive approach.
Designed to help you achieve a higher and, crucially, a more consistent frame rate.
Tackling both sides of the performance coin, like you said.
Yep. Network and system.
And when we look at the practical side, the versatility. Logofast seems to stand out there, too. The material mentions this extensive global server network.
Yeah. Servers in numerous countries and cities.
Which means you can connect to the nearest one for, hopefully, the best connection wherever you are physically.
Standard practice for these kinds of services, but essential.
But here's a fascinating detail I saw. It can also be used to change server regions.
Ah, yes.
That's interesting.
So if you've got mates across the globe, or maybe you just want to play on a different regional server for some reason.
This tool could potentially let you do that. Play with them without the usual geographical hurdles or high ping associated with connecting so far away.
That seems like a big deal.
It can be. That ability to select server regions offers a significant strategic advantage sometimes.
How so? Well, maybe for competitive play in a specific region you think has better players, or maybe just connecting with a wider social network of friends. It opens up possibilities that distance usually restricts. This kind of service operates in a fascinatingly competitive space. Every millisecond gain is fought for, and enabling cross-region play is definitely a feature some users look for.
And this versatility, it extends to the platforms it supports too, which I found quite impressive.
Oh, yeah.
It's available for PC, Windows, and macOS.
Good.
For mobile devices, iOS and Android.
Right.
And even for consoles.
Consoles, too. Okay, that is broad.
Yeah, it really makes it a tool for a massive range of gamers, doesn't it?
It certainly seems to cover the main bases.
And, for those of us, myself included sometimes, who just want things to work without a ton of fiddling.
Keep it simple.
It boasts an easy-to-use interface, often just like a single click to start boosting your game.
That simplicity definitely appeals. Quick, effective solutions are always welcome.
So, who's actually behind this? What's the business model look like?
Right, diving into the business side. LagoFast is developed by a company called Junyun Limited.
Okay.
And while they might offer a free trial, so you can test it out,
Sure.
the core services, the full functionality, operates on a subscription model.
Makes sense. So those in-app purchases you might see listed.
Those are actually these various subscription plans. They give you full access to all the boosting features we've been talking about.
And are there different options?
Typically, yes. The sources mention different durations you can usually opt for monthly, quarterly, or maybe annually.
And the price changes depending on how long you commit.
Naturally, yeah. Longer commitments usually mean a lower average monthly cost.
And paying for it. Usual methods.
Seems so. Common payment methods like credit cards, Google Pay, and PayPal are generally accepted. Pretty standard stuff there.
Okay, got it. So let's try and recap our deep dive today.
Sounds good.
LagoFast essentially tackles those two big headaches: network latency and system performance issues.
The dual challenges, yeah.
It uses a global server network and these optimized data protocols to cut down lag and ping.
Right, the network side.
While also fine-tuning your system, CPU, GPU, background stuff to boost your FPS.
The system side. All in one package.
And it's all wrapped up in what sounds like a user-friendly, multi-platform application.
And, understanding these tools, it helps you do more than just solve gaming frustrations, right?
How do you mean?
It gives you a window into the underlying principles of online optimization system management. Knowledge that actually extends far beyond just playing games. You start understanding the very real trade-offs in network design, how your own machine works.
That's a great point. It demystifies some of this tech magic.
A little bit, yeah.
Exactly. So thinking about that, given how absolutely critical smooth performance is becoming for all sorts of online experiences, not just gaming.
True. Work, communication.
Yeah, everything. How might the principles behind tools like LagoFast evolve? Could they completely reshape our expectations for, digital fluidity in the future? What if every online interaction, every video call, every remote work session felt that seamless?
That's a fascinating thought, isn't it? The potential knock-on effects.
Definitely something to mull over until our next deep dive.